Hi, so I am coming on because we are making spaghetti for dinner, and I wanted to share with you the pasta maker in case you've never seen that before. So Tupperware has this amazing product. I don't make spaghetti on the stove in a boiling pot of water anymore. I strictly now use my pasta maker. It comes like this, has a seal in a container, and you'll see on here that has actually lines and serving sizes here. And you're just going to fill this up with water. Put in your pasta. You don't use the lid when you're cooking, it's only for straining. So I'm gonna put the water right in my pasta maker, fill it up real quick. I can make pasta in my microwave in 10 minutes. That means I don't have to wait for the water to boil and then boil it. So I can actually cook spaghetti right in my microwave without ever turning my oven or my stove on if I wanted to. Today we're making veal parmesan and spaghetti, so we'll be using our Chef Series pan to cook the veal in, but the spaghetti I'm just going to literally dump it right in here, and I'll show it to you as soon as I get it in the container. I just kind of spilled some spaghetti there. I missed the container. I went overboard a little bit. I'm just going to throw it in. You can cook a whole box of pasta, and that's what I'm going to do in this container all at one time. I'm going to cook the whole complete box. Usually I can put it in there a little easier, but I missed where I had the box at, so a little bit more left in there. All right, so that's almost the whole box. There's like just a few more pieces. Put those back in there. So let me put them all in there. Let me just show it to you now. You can see that the pasta is in the pot and covered up in water. I'm going to stick this in the microwave. I'm not going to put this lid on because it's actually just for when you take it out of the when you're straining. But when you have it, these handles that are built in the sides do not get warm, so you don't even have to have a pot holder to take it out. And then when we're done, there is holes on one side of this, which you might be able to see right here. Let's see. Yeah, I can see the holes right here. That's actually so that you can strain this without ever having a strainer. You put the lid on and you just tilt it and it strains right out. So I'm going to put this in the microwave and I'll be back in just a minute. While we're waiting for that spaghetti to cook and it's in the microwave, I'm getting my stuff ready to fry my veal in my Chef Series pans. If you're not familiar with these are amazing pans by Tupperware. They last a lifetime and they come in different sizes. We have them all different things, and the best way to get these is if you are a hostess, getting them with free or half off while you're cooking. But this is nice and deep. It has room to thing, and we're gonna fry the veal right in here, and while that pasta is cooking. Okay, the microwave just went off. I'm gonna go grab that pasta. So you can see the steam, but I'm picking it up with the sides. It's not hot. I'm gonna check it, but it should be just fine. Let me rinse out this fork that I just used. Okay, so you can see that the pasta looks pretty good. I'm going to just make sure that it is done all the way, but it should be. That was 10 minutes in the microwave. Every microwave's temperature and wattage is always going to be different, right? That is done. So you can see here's the lines with the holes in it. I'm going to take the seal. The seal has an arrow. You just line the two up. And then let me just turn this camera a little bit so that you can see me strain this. So we'll just strain it right in the sink. No colander needed because I'll just drain the water right out of here, just like this. Makes it nice so you don't have to empty another colander or a pan. You can do it all in one complete container. Almost empty there. And then if you can tell, let me just show you this really quickly. So this pasta is not going to be, it's going to be just like when you boiled it in a pan of water. So it's really nice and just like pasta's supposed to be. It's not sticky, it's not clumpy, all that kind of stuff. It's not, it doesn't make it rubbery in the microwave. So that will be all ready. And I'm also going to cook my sauce right in the microwave, in my the deepest part of my stack cooker. So I'm not adding meat to the spaghetti. It's just going to be this regular sauce because I'm making veal parmesan for dinner. So the meat will be the veal. But if I was making spaghetti with meat sauce, I would brown my Tupperware right in my microwave. I would cook it right in the microwave in my stack cooker as well. Show you that another time, but I'll just have my sauce in here. I'm going to stick this in the microwave for a few minutes while we're waiting for the veal to cook, and then we'll get it all together.